Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, aspiring guitarists. In this video, I will explain how to play the iconic Red Dead Redemption theme on your guitar. We will begin by ensuring your instrument is in standard tuning. No capo is needed for this version. Your first step is to master 3 fundamental chords, a minor, D minor, and G major. Focus on transitioning smoothly between these 3 as they form the backbone of the song. Take your time with each chord change. Once you are comfortable with the basic chords, we will move to the main melody. This iconic part primarily uses notes on your B and G strings. Use a gentle fingerpicking technique to achieve that signature melancholic sound. It is crucial to practice this section very slowly at first, ensuring each note rings out clearly and precisely. Gradually increase your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the pattern. To truly capture the essence of the Red Dead Redemption theme, adding emotion is key. Experiment with varying your picking attack. Play some notes softer and others a bit louder to create dynamic shifts. For sustained notes, try adding a subtle vibrato to give them more life and expression. Paying close attention to the rhythm and timing will ensure your rendition feels authentic and deeply moving. Consistent practice is vital for mastering this piece. Break the song into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time, and focus on each one individually. Always use a metronome to improve your timing and ensure a steady rhythm. Once you are comfortable, feel free to experiment with different strumming or picking patterns to add your unique touch to this timeless melody.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.